ASUS limited edition gaming keyboard for the Pinkaholic. Bring forth your quaint style without compromising on quality with ROG Strix Flare PNK. Experience an immersive, performance-packed gaming audio with a chic new look. Pro gamers preferred. ASUS ROG Strix Flare PNK mechanical gaming keyboard is made of German Cherry MX red switches that offer precision input, faster response time, enhanced gaming performance, smooth keystrokes. 100% anti-ghosting, fully programmable keys, onboard memory for storing profiles, on-the-fly macro keyboard recordings, support for ROG Armoury II software. Customize your logo. Utilize endless color spectrum, a range of dynamic lighting to flare up your RGB keyboard. Create a personalized logo with the provided black acrylic badge. Wired keyboard connection, includes programmable or async lighting. Dedicated keyboard media controls. Control your audio with instant media keys. Smooth scrolling volume wheel on upper left on this PC gaming keyboard. Includes USB pass-through for easy connectivity, a detachable wrist rest for extra comfort. Top reviews from the United States. Not the exact same as the pictures. The keyboard is not light gray, which is what I was expecting. It's more of a bluish-gray color, which is okay because it's still pretty cute. I did get the matching keypad and I recommended both. The keyboard is great for gaming or for work, school.